Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you the easiest way to make a QR code bitmap image from some string in Android Studio project. As you can see here, I have a function that says get bitmap from string. We need to pass some string to this function and we get a possibly nullable bitmap. In this function we return try catch, so try catch because there can be some exceptions. In that case, just return nil. We need to instantiate multi-format writer, so multi-format writer, and make a new variable, a bit matrix multi-format writer, encode our string, which can be some ticket number or receipt number, barcode format QR code, but you can use also something else that you need. In this video we are talking about QR code and width and height. I usually use this function when I have a printer attached to my Android device and then I need to print QR code on receipt. In that case I use this width and height. However, you can change that, you can make it even larger or smaller. And at the end you need to return barcode encoder and create bitmap with this bit matrix. And I will show you that in this. So I have some empty image view and we'll just set image bitmap, get bitmap from string. Here is some string. I will run this in my emulator in order to see. Okay, as you can see here, it is a smaller one and it has white background. So this is okay for me because I use this function, like I said, in cases when I print something on printer on white paper, and that's okay. But if you want to show this QR code somewhere in your application and you have a different background, like here, this is not pure white, then what you can also use, you can use this function, remove white background. You need to pass bitmap to it. It also returns bitmap. And basically what this function does is it iterates from all pixels, and if the pixel is white color, it just set it to transparent in order to not have a color to use this color, which is your background. And it just returns bitmap from that pixels, bit height, and this configuration. Okay, so I can also show you that. So we need to call remove white background and pass it our bitmap, which we get from this function. I will run this one more time to show you the example. As you can see now, there is no white background, and you can show this somewhere in your application if you have a situation like that where you need some QR code. And that's it for this quick video. So you can just copy paste this and use it anywhere in your Android project. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about Android and iOS development, and see you in the next video.